I opened my Redbubble shop less than 24 hours ago, and I've already been accepted into the premium tier. So let me go ahead and share with you exactly what I did to actually do this. First of all, you have to understand about the tier structure here on Redbubble. Now, this happened quite some time ago now, but they now have a Redbubble Standard, a Redbubble Premium, and Redbubble Pro. Now, if we look here, Standard is not a required first step, and artists' accounts can be classified directly into Premium or Pro. Now, that's what happened to me. I went straight in with a Premium account, and I'm going to share with you exactly how I did this. Now, if we take a look here, we can look at the account tier comparison. So on the Redbubble Standard, you only get this. With the Redbubble Premium, which I've now got, I actually get all of these features as well. Now, what I'm going to do is also link all the resources, which I personally read, down in the description. Now, if we scroll all the way down to this, also explains how to get your account reclassified and change tiers, just here. And if we come down to here, these are the two which I want to share. Now, I've got this open in a new tab, and it says, the standard tier explained how accounts are classified as standard on Redbubble. So after reading a little bit of this, I think if we come down to here, this is going to explain exactly what not to do if you want to go straight into the premium. So right here it says behaviours that may lead to an account being classified as standard. So account classification isn't based on a rigid set of criteria. We consider a bunch of different factors so that we can make fairer decisions. We encourage you to steer clear of as many of these things as possible if you're aiming to be classified as premium. So that is low resolution images or poor file quality. Now, I'm designing a lot of stickers and things like that using AI. Now, to get these as good resolution and good quality, all you have to do is upscale these. So that's what I've been doing as well, is upscaling my designs. Right here it says issues with product formatting. So that's how designs are positioned on products. So depending on what products you want your designs on, you should go into each individual product. You can disable the ones that you don't, but you need to go into each individual product and just make sure everything's aligned and that it looks perfect. Now, another one is high volumes of low effort or repetitive designs. So let me say that one again. High volumes of low effort or repetitive designs. See, the good thing about AI, you can create truly unique designs. Now, it also says vector packs, clip art, royalty-free images without any modification. So that literally means going over to places like Creative Fabrica, taking a graphic, putting it on a product without doing anything. Please stay clear of that. Now, content you did not create yourself kind of falls under the same thing. Using bots or bulk uploading tools, stay clear of that as well, and tag spamming or misleading information in titles and descriptions. So, following these steps just here is also going to help get classified as a premium account. Now, if we look at this bit just here, it also says new accounts and emerging artists are not automatically classified as standard. So you can be brand new to Redbubble and be classified as premium. So again, that's what's just happened to me. We absolutely want to support and encourage artists who are just starting out. We love spotting rising stars and giving them opportunities to build their audience. Now, accounts that have very little information may initially be classified as standard if they don't have much to go on. So make sure you upload your best, most original work and share much as possible. So, as you can see, just in here alone, just in this article, there's a lot of information, great information, which will help you not get classified as standard. Also going to link that down in the description along with this. So this is 5 premium tier artists that you can learn from. So there's 5 shops here. I've already opened these up in a new tab and we're going to take a look at them. because apparently, according to Redbubble, these shops are practically perfect. So the first one is this. This is Thoth Aiden. Now if we scroll through these, we can see that everything looks great. They have a featured collection, and if we look at their designs, well, they also have collections just here. But if we look at the designs, we can see that they're all very congruent, meaning the whole shop does have a very similar style. It's also going to be the same with this one just here, which is Lisa Doobie-Doo. Now they also have collections. Collections are a great way to organise your designs. Then if we look at the designs, again, everything's congruent because it all has that similar style. And that's the same theme with all of these just here. This one's Deja Doodles Art. They don't have actually collections. They've only got 69 products or designs. But again, if we take a look, it's all congruent with a very similar style. Same with this one just here, which is Kefan 404. Again, very similar style on all of their products, and with this one just here. So, when you're designing, just make sure that all your designs do have a very similar style, and it's not all mixed and matched, meaning that not everything looks congruent, because again, if we take a look at this, the whole shop has a similar style. So, this brings me on to the next part of the video, which is all of the steps that you need to take. Now you can see that I've almost done everything here apart from add social links. So the first thing is to create your products and upload at least 5 designs. So I did that. They was all a very similar style as well to keep everything congruent. Now with setup shop, you need to add a profile picture, add a cover image, add social links and add a bio. Now as you can see, I did everything there apart from add social links. Because this is a brand new shop, I'm still not quite sure if I am going to create socials for that, so obviously I had no socials to add, but I did everything else. And then with getting paid, so you need to add your name and address, confirm your email, confirm your number, and add payment details. So as you can see, I did absolutely everything here. You'll see this when logging in to your dashboard, but I did everything here apart from adding social links. And that's what got me straight into the premium tier and in less than 24 hours. So, some key takeaways are to create high quality, unique designs with really good resolution and really good file quality. Make sure that all of your designs fit on the products that you enable perfectly. Do not spam. So do not create low effort or repetitive designs, and do not use vector packs, clip art, royalty-free images, and things like that. Now again, with me, I'm using AI, and with AI, you can really make some truly unique designs. So if you're creating unique designs with really good quality files, and if you follow all the steps in your dashboard, then there's a good chance that you can get classified straight into the premium tier. So if you're thinking of starting a Redbubble shop, then I really hope that this video has helped you out. And what I'm also going to do is link all of these articles down in the description. I really suggest going through, having a little read, and also checking out these shops that they also recommend for you to take a look at. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.